Can you break down what EBITDA is? I'm trying to see how to use that when valuing a company. So earnings before interest, depreciation, taxes, and amortization. So that's what EBITDA stands for. It's also kind of a nickname for net profit. Kinda. By the way, Alton didn't tee me up. He didn't clue me in on that before. I just kind of knew it offhand. EBITDA, earnings before interest, depreciation, taxes, and amortization. All accounting terms. So I think the way you use that, well, I don't think the way you use that is you want to compare that. So what is the 2019 EBITDA for again DoorDash versus the EBITDA for 2019 for a Airbnb? Two different industries, right? So when you're comparing two companies next to them, make sure they're in the same industry, or at least have some comparisons, right? Because you could argue that, let's say, Microsoft and Google are in different industries, although they overlap. They both are major in cloud storage, but so is Amazon, right? So you have to be careful about that. Have to be careful about that.